Alright, welcome to the channel. This week we're on Royal Caribbean's Enchantment of the Seas. We're on deck 7. I'm going to give you a brief overview of our balcony stateroom. It's room 7086. As you enter the stateroom, you have the bathroom here on the left, the light switch here for the bathroom, and the main light switch here. Go ahead and turn the lights on so we can see a little bit better. Like I said, bathrooms here on the left as you enter. And this is an older ship, so it does have a, instead of having the doors, it's got the curtain for the shower. And then you got your toilet and some shelves over there, some storage, and then a sink over this area. Just outside the bathroom, you do have a full mirror here on the wall. Across from the bathroom, you have your closet with some drawers right here for storage. And then you got your hangers naturally here. Then coming on into the stateroom, nice feature here. A lot of ships don't have this, but you have this additional storage right here. Some additional shelving behind this door here. Then on each side of the bed, you have a couple little nightstands here and a master switch here for the lights. I like that because when you go to bed, you can just turn the lights on and off from there. A couple of reading lights here on the back wall here by the bed. Some additional storage here on the end of the desk area. And then a full-size couch. Previous tour video was of the Ocean View room. Had just have a two-person love seat instead of a full-size couch. Nice little table here if you want to have some food and sit on the couch. And then TV here does swivel out, so if you're in bed you can watch TV. Up here in this cabinet area you have your safe, and then right below here, below the TV, is the refrigerator. And then on the desk you have a center drawer here on the desk, and then 3 additional drawers on each side. As with the other staterooms, you have behind here this additional storage on the mirror here, same thing on that side. And then your telephone's here on the desk. And then coming on out, you have the balcony. We're in the port of Tampa, getting ready to set sail today. But on the balcony, you have a couple chairs, a table. This ship does have the doors here on each side that you can request open. If you have a couple staterooms together, you can extend the balcony. Quick view of the port. Alright, we'll do one more quick review of the room from the balcony. Like I said, I've also got a Ocean View room tour and a junior suite tour on this ship. I'll post the links to those videos in the description below. If you like what you saw, do me a favor, hit that like button. I invite you to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of our future content. And we'll see you on the next one.